जय हिंद दोस्तों, मेरा नाम है प्रभात कुमार और मैं आप सभी का PYQ एकेडमी पे स्वागत करता हूँ। आपने गेस कर लिया होगा कि इस वीडियो में क्या मैं बताने वाला हूँ। जी हाँ, जो दिल्ली हाई कोर्ट में CAPF AC से रिलेटेड केस चल रहा था, उसका जो फाइनल वर्डिक्ट है वो आ चुका है। फाइनल वर्डिक्ट तो नहीं कहूँगा, लेकिन जितना हमारे लिए ज़रूरी था वो आ चुका है। सो इट्स अ गुड न्यूज़ फॉर ऑल द CAPF AC aspirants, not only who will be appearing for 2023 but also of the 2020, 21 and 22. So it's been a long journey. Yeah, it's long because uh, we already were very much late in our recruitment process, and believe me, it was not a easy journey because there has been lots of ups and downs. So if you are new to this case, so let me explain you about this case. Let me give you some background. So the case started from especially from 7th of October, although the case was filed before this, but on 7th of October Delhi High Court gave a uh, verdict that there is one person named Divakar Pandey who is filed a case against uh, I don't know whether it is filed case against UPSC or anything, but there was a case that he is not getting promotion, and the reason was getting promotion. Him not getting promotion was the more number of direct recruitment, direct entry of CAPF AC from the UPSC CAPF AC examination. Okay, and due to which on that day, since there was no response from the UPSC side, so Delhi High Court put stay on all the recruitments and appointments under CAPF AC. But despite of this 7th October judgment, UPSC started conducting its interview, and so this person again went to the Delhi High Court that the interview is being conducted despite of your orders. So on 3rd of November, all sudden the interview process, which started on 29th of I think October, 29th or 30th of October, it was halted in between. So that was a very unfortunate event for all the aspirants. Even we were hoping for our interview, but suddenly the interview was stopped. And not only the interview of CAPF AC 2021, so this was affected. Then CISF LDC 2022, it was affected. Then the joining of CAPF AC 20 of CISF candidates, their joining was stopped, and at the same time the physical of CAPF AC 2022, this was also. So these were all the exams which were affected by this judgment. So the next hearing of the judgment was on 30th November. So we were eagerly waiting for this day so that final verdict comes and our interview may start. But this didn't happen. The against party, that means this person, the lawyer of this person, asked for some extra days. So he was given given a new date. So the final verdict was expected on 21st of December, but on that day the reply was not filed by neither by UPSC nor by this person. That's why the proceeding on that day was further delayed. Okay, so now coming to the final third day, so it was further delayed, and the next date was 3rd of Feb 2023. So this was the final day today on which the verdict came. But this wasn't easy. Okay, all of you, all of the students who are preparing for 2023 or preparing for 2022 or 21, you should thank all the candidates of CISF of 2020 batch. Okay, because they put all their efforts. They collected some good amount of money. They hired a very big lawyer. Okay, and due to which this become this thing this case got disposed, not disposed, but as a verdict came in which the stay, now the stay has been removed. That means all the process, recruitment process, can now go on. And what was the final verdict? So the final verdict was that all the recruitment process will continue. At the same time, all the joining and appointment will also continue, but the joining and appointments in case of CISF will have some clause. That means the seniority of all the ACs will depend upon the final verdict of this case. Yes, the final verdict, that means the verdict with respect to the promotion of that person, Mr. Divakar Pandey, is still pending. So on that basis, it will affect CISF. So only to CISF person who will be joining, their seniority will depend upon, or will have a kind of effect on the verdict of this case. Otherwise, all other CAPFs, that means whether it is CRPF, BSF, ITBP, SSB, and doesn't concern with this case. That means the road is clear for all the recruitments. So here is the good news, that earlier we were expecting, or there was some apprehensions that this may affect the vacancy of 2023, because we have seen this, that due to just because of this case, the notification of CISF LDC, which was on 30th November, it was delayed. That's why I was very much concerned about the notification of CAPF AC 2023. But now the path is clear. That means there is no chance that the notification will be delayed. Okay, it will be on time. So now it's a high time for all of you who are aspiring to become CAPF AC in this year, in this year's examination. So now you have to start your preparation. Okay, so let me give you some important informations. So first is that you will get your notification on 26th of April 2023. Okay, and the last date to fill the form is 16/5/2023, and the exam date for this year is 6th of August 2023. You all must be wondering that from where I got this information. So no, it is not any inside information. You will get this information in the UPSC calendar. Okay, UPSC releases the calendar of every year much before that year. That means the calendar of 2023 was released in the year 2022 only. So I picked this information from the calendar only. So now if we have to calculate, so today is 3rd of Feb. Okay, let's leave it. So from 4th Feb to 4th of August, if you will count, so you are having Feb, March, April, May, June and July. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6, almost 6 months, and it is sufficient, okay, to prepare both paper 1 as well as paper 2 and get a final selection. So now you have to start your preparation. And so this is in this video I was only prepared about the update, but in the coming videos, now I'm very much sure that there is no barrier in this examination. So now I will post regular videos with respect to PYQs as well as strategy for the upcoming examinations. Okay, so in coming few days I'm going to come with 6-month strategy for UPSC CAPF AC examination 2023, and believe me, 6 months is more than sufficient time. Every time I had cleared this examination in just 1.5 minutes. That means less than 2 months. So 6 months is much more sufficient. Even you can target to get rank 1 by giving 6 months of your life. Okay, and you can get your dream service. Okay, so all the very best to you. And if you are new to this channel, so please subscribe it, because you will find some good information in the playlist. You will find number of solutions of the previous year questions of number of exams of UPSC, that is CDS, NDA, as well as CAPF. So go through all the videos. These videos will be very much helpful for you. And if you want to if you want to get connected with me, so you can join the Telegram channel. The link is given in the description box. Okay, and you can ask any doubt regarding all this examination. So thank you so much for watching PYQ Academy.